Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the power seats relay is located, which relay controls the power seats on Ford Edge, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, the power seats now. Which relay controls the power seats? We will demonstrate on this Ford Edge right here. If you own a Ford Edge that generation, you have many hidden fuse boxes that 9 out of 10 people do not know where they're located. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that we'll recommend to check out. It's called Fuse Box Location on Ford Edge. For the power seats relay on Ford Edge, you need to open the hood, and when you face the engine on the right side here, see that's the driver's side, you have the car battery. Next to it you have a fuse box. Press these two tabs here, open that cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, for the power seats, which relay we need to check? By the way guys, now make sure you stay until the end please, that we want to share one good advice with you so we don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here guys, okay, for the power seats, surprise, you have no relay. The power seats is they're controlled by the BCM, the body control module. If you have problems with it, we'll recommend to check the fuses that are known as power seat relay fuses, up to 3 of them. We'll explain about that, and also reset the BCM code and see if that fixes the problem. But the first fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 23 right here, very important fuse. And then you need to check fuse number 42, that one here. One is for the passenger, one for the driver's side. Then open the driver door, come under the dash, that's the footwell compartment, parking brake paddle, hood open lever. Behind it on the left side you have a cover, remove it, and you have another fuse box guys. Here you're going to check one more fuse, and that's specifically fuse number 7. So that will be 987, that 7.5 amp fuse, that's the one that you will need to check as well on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.